In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your voice deeper on Discord in 2021. First, you want to download Clownfish Voice Changer. I'll put the link to this website in the description. Then click download and download the version that you're using on your Windows PC. So if you're using a 64-bit Windows 10 version, you want to download this one. So on. I won't show you how to download and install this. I've done that in a video, which I'll link in the description below. You now want to open that Clownfish, and then you want to go to your taskbar, click this little arrow. As you can see here, Clownfish Voice Changer. Right click that, click on Set Voice Changer. Now opens this voice changer interface, so you can choose your voices. And there are two options for you to make your voice deeper now. First, you can go custom pitch.
Control your pitch by dragging this bar to the left, which will make you sound way deeper.
Clear effect, and now this effect is cleared. Or you go on male pitch, which makes it way clearer and a more natural sounding, deeper voice.
So you sound like this. So your voice is now deeper on Discord.
Clear effect. And all you gotta do now is make sure that your Discord setting, by going to settings, voice and video, is that your input device on Discord is your default one. So default. If it's default, you're good to go, and you can make your voice deeper on Discord by using the best free voice changer for Discord in 2020. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.